In local logistics, the biggest threat to your bottom line isn't a lack of clients. It's the slow, quiet bleed of hidden operating costs. Every minute spent idling in heavy traffic burns fuel, and every harsh start and stop wears down mechanical components. For an independent driver or a small fleet operator, a delayed delivery or an unexpected trip to the mechanic is a direct hit to daily cash flow. That lost time translates to lost revenue that you simply cannot earn back tomorrow. Surviving in this low-margin environment requires a machine engineered specifically to protect and maximize your daily financial margins. The 2026 Ashok Leyland Dost is the result of engineering aimed at the conflicting demands of tight city grids and rough semi-urban transit. The engineering philosophy here focuses on a dual-purpose constraint, keeping the physical footprint small enough to dart through traffic, while reinforcing the skeleton to handle serious commercial weight. That physical strength comes from a rigid ladder frame chassis and a tough exterior shell. It is built to absorb the constant punishment of heavily potholed roads without twisting or suffering long-term structural fatigue. Because it can squeeze through narrow city alleys just as easily as it navigates unpaved village roads, operators never have to turn down a difficult delivery route. Expanding the physical territory you can drive directly expands the client base you can bill. Under the hood, the 2026 Dost relies on a refined, fuel-efficient diesel engine. It is calibrated to deliver steady, dependable torque, ensuring the truck pulls cleanly even when the cargo bed is loaded to its absolute limit. The engine is specifically tuned to handle the aggressive stop-and-go rhythm of heavy urban traffic. It accelerates smoothly without overworking the powertrain or burning excess diesel. This bar chart visualizes how that tuning pays off. Compared to standard per-trip fuel costs of typical vehicles in this segment, the Dost operates at a noticeably lower financial threshold. By burning only what is necessary in traffic jams, you directly protect your operational savings. To capitalize on that efficient engine, you need a platform that can actually carry the weight. The Dost features a heavy-duty suspension system and a durable body built for daily commercial abuse. The cargo deck is impressively spacious, giving operators the flexibility to haul a wide variety of goods, crates of fresh agricultural produce, bulky construction materials, or dense retail pallets. For a truck with such a compact physical footprint, the actual payload capacity punches well above its weight class. Even when that deck is packed to its maximum limit, the heavy-duty suspension setup maintains strict vehicle stability. The truck does not sag or lose its balance in sharp corners. Because the wheelbase remains tight, the Dost maintains a highly compact turning radius. Drivers can maneuver heavy loads quickly through narrow city grids without getting stuck. Carrying more inventory in a single trip and navigating tight spaces faster reduces your total time on the road. That combination acts as a direct multiplier for your revenue per operational hour. The mechanical hardware is only half the equation. Inside the cabin, driver fatigue is a hidden financial drain that slows down delivery times and increases the risk of costly mistakes. Ashok Leyland addressed this with targeted ergonomic upgrades. The cabin features a supportive seating position, a distinctly clear instrument layout, and broad visibility over the road. The controls are kept simple and easy to reach. By reducing the physical effort required to operate the vehicle, a driver can push through a grueling 12-hour delivery shift with significantly less physical strain. This is backed by essential safety features, particularly a strong, stable braking system that ensures secure handling on wet or uneven pavement. A driver who is secure and physically comfortable will naturally complete routes faster and more safely. This directly protects the business from the massive expenses of accidents or extended vehicle downtime. To see how all these features impact the bottom line, we have to look at total cost of ownership. This pie chart breaks that metric into 4 distinct slices: initial purchase cost, fuel consumption, maintenance, and vehicle downtime. Because the Dost relies on proven engineering and accessible parts, those maintenance and downtime slices shrink dramatically over its lifespan. The mathematical combination of maximized payload revenue and minimized total cost of ownership makes the 2026 Dost a dedicated wealth generation asset. The 2026 Ashok Leyland Dost stands out as a highly dependable profit machine, engineered precisely for the rigorous demands of modern small-scale transport and fleet operations. take a hard look at the vehicles you rely on every day. Are they actively maximizing your hard-earned margins, or are they slowly draining them? Let us know your thoughts on the new Dost's features in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, share it with your business partners, and make sure to subscribe to Road Drive for more hard-hitting commercial vehicle insights.
रोजाना मैकेनिकल ज्ञान के लिए सब्सक्राइब करो। फ्यूचर में कैरियर बनाना है, डेली लर्निंग करो।